Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, Guru James, back again with another unboxing video. Check this out. I got something you might like if you're a podcaster, a gamer. And you know how when you watch the games, they have all these little funny sounds in between when something happens, laughter and stuff like that. I've got a great little thing for you today. It's a live studio. Check this out. It's a live sound card panel. I guess it's a live sound card, but it's actually like a live sound card board. So this is great for the entry-level beginner podcaster. You want different sounds and laughters and want to change your voice and everything. This is great. Check this out. Let's unbox this thing. Professional live. When you open it up, you got the phone right here. And see, it's actually a board, so it's not like it says live sound card, but it's not a card. You've got your USB to Type-C, your audio cable right here. So it comes with 1, 2, and 3, and you've got your 2 sets of audio cables here. So it comes with those 3. Let me put this on the side, and there's the actual board right there. Also, you know, it's got the instructions, so definitely make sure you read the instructions. For this video, we're not going to read the instructions, but here we go right here. Check this out. This thing is awesome. It has all the different levels on. You got your treble, your MIDI, your bass, record, special effects right there. You got your accompany. This is for your sound up and down, your monitor. That's for the incoming sound. And it's got all these different presets. You got your mic, power button here. You just hold that down for a little bit, and then the power comes right on. You see all the lights start to flash just like that. You can have this right next to your computer. You know, even hook it up to like your gaming, and you have your different sounds while you're playing the game. All the different things here. And look on the back here. Here are your buttons right there. So on the back, you got your condenser mic input, your headset input, your earphone input, your company, and you have 4 different inputs for, like, if you want to hook your phone up to it, your phone or your tablet. Here's a direct connection for PC Live, so if you live streaming, and here's your charging cable. Charging cable uses a Type-C cable right there. And then you come around, and then I'm going to show you all these buttons right here. Look at these buttons. You have all different sounds over here. Look, here's cheer. Then you got ding. Then you got the 9277. Then you got a kiss. Then you got a gunshot. Yell. Okay. Then you got the laughter. Then you got a PUBG sound. Then you got a guys. Watch this.
I love it. You guys are so great.
Awkward. And see, you want to keep the levels where they kind of just hit the orange a little bit. Mary. Slash. And you got applause. Then you got giggle. Then you got awesome.
Awesome.
And then you got the what's it? Ding 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 ding. So this kind of cool, y'all. Then you got the eternal play. I do know that the voiceover feature, basically when you put that on, if you have music or something playing and you start talking, it'll automatically lower the volume and your voice will be clear. Mute, elimination. It's got a lot of different things. Karaoke, you can either do karaoke on it. You can change your voice from pro, pop, MC, and here's your different levels, your MIDI. So I'm not gonna get all of that. That's a whole nother video, but this is definitely a nice little cheap board used for podcasting, streaming, gaming, to add some little sounds to it. You know what? Okay. Hey, thank you guys for watching the video. Another unboxing, bringing you all the products that you might need and might like. Make sure you guys definitely check that out. As always, I have a link in the description to this nice, cheap, affordable, entry-level, you know, live studio. Get into it, and then once you do that, you can upgrade to the big boy if you want. But this is perfect. This is perfect for the average person. See you on the next video.